folks, I'm Will, this is Planet Under Attack, and this Baltic Sea UFO has recently shown back up in the news. I want to put some thoughts together on this. It was discovered sometime spring, early summer 2011. It showed up on major media in August. Fox News and CNN run it, and since it has come back to life because apparently the owner of this company, or the owners of the company, have secured funds to go down and take a look at this very curious object, which bears an incredible resemblance to the famous Millennium Falcon of Star Wars fame. It's very disc-shaped. Apparently there is another disc somewhere close to it. I've not been able to locate anything like that, but I've read in a couple different spots that there are actually two discs. This one's about the size of a 747, and like I said, it looks exactly like this one. Uncanny. But here in the Baltic Sea, you can see Sweden, you see Denmark, you see Germany. There was actually a UFO battle in Nuremberg, Germany, 500 years ago, in which dozens, if not hundreds, of craft were in the sky shooting each other, destroying each other. So possibly something limped out toward the sea and hit the water, and there it is. That's one slim possibility. The object itself has a drag mark, and I'll show you this later, associated with it, that looks like it, in some form, has actually moved quite a distance across the bottom of the sea. It's one of the more staggering facts about it. Now, again, referring to this area, back in 1952, Operation Mainbrace took place. This is a joint exercise between American and British Navy vessels. And this was an exercise that was pockmarked with multiple UFO sightings, all built by these military witnesses. They observed ships going in and out of the ocean. There was a photographer on hand who was actually able to capture some of these discs on film. At one point, supposedly, a UFO came out of the water very close to one of the ships, clipped it, damaged it, and witnesses say that that UFO was 1/4 of a mile wide, an immense craft. And it's even possible that when Dwight D. Eisenhower was out there observing, he saw one too. So here is the drag mark that we're looking at. There's not a whole lot of images of this thing available that are different. I'm going to show you one a little bit later that I found. But you can see, imagine that's the size of a 747 there. This long drag mark at the bottom of the seabed, where it appears this thing cruised on in and crashed. It's above expectation to think that maybe if this is a UFO, there would be pilots on board. But this certainly could be something that was shot down, or something that was just abandoned. Now, another aspect of this is the Nazis. They are well known for having attempted an aggressive UFO program during World War II, supposedly by technology given them by the alien grays. Could that be a Nazi UFO at the bottom of the ocean? Possibly. Could be. This is an image I found off of Tumblr, and it's associated with the story, but I don't have any information as to how it originated, what it is. It's like a scanned image or a sonar image, maybe. But eventually, sometime soon, this is going to be back in the news, because they are going to be sending down either a robotic craft or some deep-sea divers to actually take a look at exactly what this object is. I'm thinking that if this had the possibility to be an actual crashed UFO at the bottom of the ocean, some of the G20 governments might have gotten together and cordoned this area of the Baltic Sea off. But what would be really cool is as if when they went down,